Hey YouTube, it's Arnold8351 again, and I got a video here about my pistols for airsoft. It's not all of them, I got two more, but one of them is the clear version of this, and the other one is a piece of crap that broke. Anyway, so I got my Colt 1911 target, Stinger P311 / Colt M1911, and my Beretta. And I'm going to be doing a test to see which one is best. And we are going to grade them in 3 categories: easiest to reload, and most accurate, and most powerful. Now, obviously most powerful is my Stinger P311. It's 325 FPS. This is 310 FPS. And this is 300 FPS. So I have all of those right there. And let's go set up the camera. Yeah, my stand is made of Legos, if you just saw that. Because I had the time to do that. Anyway, so they're all loaded already. Now we're going to start with the Colt 1911. So this gun, this mag release is right here. All of the mag releases are right there. And this, the spring comes down and over into that little slot, and you place them in one by one. So this obviously isn't the best reload. Anyway, we'll be taking some shots at that to test the accuracy. We'll only be taking 3 shots. Okay, so good shots there. So we will save that and put in the next one. Next up is the Stinger P311 / Colt M1911. It's got great details on it, and check out the review for this and the Colt 1911 target. So the magazine, when it's full, will leave 2 BBs in it. So you have to put those back in. It doesn't lock down. It locks for a second, but if you put any pressure anywhere, it just shoots the BBs right out, so it's not a good idea. So just hold it down, hold this down, pour them in. It's one of the easier reloads. We'll be taking 3 shots with this too. Good shot there. Very accurate. It's giving the Colt a run for its money there. Alright. Last but not least, Beretta. So here's the Beretta. I think this is the easiest to reload in there, because you just pull this down there, pour the BBs in there, and you don't have to worry about any of them shooting out. And then you just push it back over, put it in, cock it back, and you're ready to go. So we'll test its accuracy now, and check out the review on this on my channel. Okay, so pretty accurate there. Alright, take this out. Okay, so let's see here. The Stinger Colt 1911 target, very accurate. Stinger P311, a little low from the center, but still very accurate. all 3 bullets did hit. 2 of them hit there, 1 there. And the Beretta, very accurate too. So all very accurate. I'd have to say either the Stinger P311 or the Colt 1911 is the most accurate. So these two are tied for most accurate, but this one has the most powerful, easiest reload, and these two tied for most accurate. So I'd say this is my best pistol. Leave your opinion in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time with some WWE.